In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Prius key fob to change the internal battery at home. Now, this is a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you would just like to pick one up online, check the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can get this exact battery that you need for this particular device for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step here is to look up where the key ring attaches, and on the side you can see there is a little slot in the plastic. Right along the seam here you can see a little indentation. I want you to hold the device with the back side facing up, so buttons down, Toyota symbol up, and we want to use a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it into that indentation and just twist, and this back part will click right off. Keep holding it the way I am showing you, and we will just lift out this little component here. So inside there are these little buttons that will just fall right out. If you were to do it the other way, these would just fall right out on you and you'd have to put them back in. It's quite annoying. So just set that down carefully, and now we can start working over here. Right up on the top of this device, there is a little space between the black plastic and that clear plastic. We're going to use the same flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin here, and we're just inserting it in and twisting once again. And once you have it opened up just a little bit, you can just pull it apart with your fingers. You can set this black part down for now. And we are going to again use the flathead screwdriver, and just coming in on the top here, we just put the corner of it under the battery just a little bit, and you can kind of twist or push it up. The battery will come out with ease. Doesn't take too much pressure, just be careful working in there. There's some delicate parts under there. So once again, CR 2016 battery, make sure you are using one of those. And when you put your new battery in, you need to make sure the positive side is facing up. So slide that in there, click it down. This little rubber part kind of sticks under there. You can just work it out with your flathead screwdriver. And now we just need to put it all back together. So put the black part back on there and click it all together. Carefully lift up your key and set this with the clear plastic, the buttons there facing down. Set that into place and click the back on there. And that is all it takes. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like so it can help someone else. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have video tutorials for pretty much every make or model here on our YouTube channel, and you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com.